ChatGPT for beginner. New to ChatGPT? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Let's break down how to get started step by step. So first, you can use ChatGPT on the web or mobile app. Sign in with your account to begin chatting. Now type in any conversation, question, or request. ChatGPT will then generate human-like answers. The clearer your prompt, the better the response. With ChatGPT Live, you can talk naturally. ChatGPT listens and responds instantly, making it feel like real conversation. ChatGPT can translate languages, help with codings, summarize files, and even analyze images. It's more than just text. ChatGPT work agents automate tasks like drafting reports, updating files, or summarizing meetings across your apps. ChatGPT is a beginner-friendly, powerful, and versatile. Use it for learning, productivity, and content creation, but verify important details.